Hi guys, welcome to the channel Auto Mag TV. Chery introduced a new crossover called Jaecoo J7. Jaecoo J7 in fuel and plug-in hybrid versions with optional all-wheel drive. The crossover is made in the corporate style of the brand. You can immediately distinguish the car by its large radiator grille with a large Chery inscription. At the bottom, there is a significant power bumper with inserts in body color. The car received split headlights and daytime running lights of a new shape, as well as taillights combined with an LED strip and two exhaust pipes built into the bumper. The overall length of the crossover is 4,538 mm, width 1898 mm, height 1680 mm. The distance between the axles is 2,672 m, wheels 19 inches. The approach angle is 21 degrees, the departure angle is 29 degrees. Ground clearance 200 mm. The trunk volume reaches 13 to 35 liters. The Spartan interior is richly decorated with chrome details. The Chery crossover steering wheel is 3-spoke with a shortened rim. Behind it is a digital instrument panel, and to the right of the steering wheel is a vertical central screen measuring 13 and 2 inches. The center console houses 2 cup holders and a powerful gear lever. The computer system is based on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155 processor. The list of equipment also includes a head-up display, a panoramic roof, and driver assistance systems with 23 functions. The crossover is equipped with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine producing 197 HP and 290 Nm of torque. It is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The electric range of the hybrid is at least 100 kilometers, and with a full tank and a charged battery, the car can travel up to 1,400 kilometers. The SUV is available in rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions. The top version offers several off-road driving modes, such as snow, mud, and sand. The rear-wheel drive version consumes 6.98 liters of gasoline per 100 kilometers, and the all-wheel drive version consumes 7.48 liters. The manufacturer has not yet announced the fuel consumption of the hybrid.